The most valuable part of skiing for me is sharing the joy with others. So when Nadine asked me to explore her home resort, I was super stoked to join her and share a few days with her and also see the place and mountain that has shaped her style of skiing. Her backyard is really amazing and the snow was so good at that time, so yeah, we got straight into it.
Super nice. Good snow and it's gonna be epic!
Okay, dropping 10.
Yeah, it was totally wide out for 2-3 seconds and I said, wow, where am I going?
Yeah, these runs were so good. We got straight into the steeper line this morning as the snow was still good.
Meet over there, have a look, and then we decide.
Okay.
And after it was time to enjoy the way down, have some fun and maybe some freestyle action.